Hello students and welcome back to my channel Ignite Your Intellect. So in the last class we understood the classification of business activity, which is further classified into industry and commerce. Now the industry is again further divided into primary, secondary and tertiary. We also understood the meaning of commerce and classification of commerce. That is, it is classified into two broad categories, that is trade and auxiliaries to trade. In trade, we learned the meaning and the classification, that is internal trade and external trade. In auxiliaries to trade, we learned the different auxiliaries, that is transportation and communication, warehousing, insurance, banking and finance, and advertising. Let us learn the objectives of business. The business has multiple objectives. It cannot follow only one objective. The objectives of a business are categorized into the following: economic objective and social objective. Let us learn economic objective. A business is an economic activity, so the most important objective of business is economic activities. Let us know the economic activities as follows. A. Economic profit. Profit means excess of income over expenditure. The prime objective of every businessman is to earn profit. A business cannot survive without earning profit. The success of business is measured by the rate of earning profit. Higher the profit earning, more successful is the business enterprise. The second is market share. Business can survive for a long period only if it is able to capture a big share in the market and has market standing. The businessman can measure its market standing by taking care of the following two things: market potential and competition. Now, market potential refers to the size of the market and share of the business in the market. Competition. The business must see his position in comparison to his competitors. The C point is innovation. Innovation refers to the development of new method of production and use of new and lasted techniques. Innovation can be in production or in marketing and distribution. Optimum utilization of resources. It refers to the best use of man, material, money and machinery. The resources of business are scarce, so this must be utilized in the best possible manner so that the business can get maximum benefit from these resources. Social objectives. The important social objectives include the following: supply of desired goods and services. Business must aim for customer satisfaction. Thus, it is important to provide goods and services as desired by the customers. Goods must be of proper quality. The quality should include durability, purity, and safety while using the products. Social and fair trade practices. A business obsessed with profit may exploit various sections of the society and follow or adopt malpractices like black marketing, compromising on quality, etc. Employment opportunities. Business should generate employment opportunities for all the sections of the society, especially for less advantaged people. Welfare of employees. Business must organize training programs on regular basis to enhance professional, social, and personal skills. Good working conditions provide motivation and stability among employees. Business risk. Though business is established with an aim to earn profit, but due to uncertainties or unexpected events, there is always possibility of earning less profit or losses. The uncertainties of profit put business at risk. Nature of business risk. Risk due to uncertainty. Uncertainty means you are not sure of what is going to happen in the future. Common examples of uncertainties are change in demand, government policy, etc. Risk is an integral part of business. No business can function without taking risk. All business activities are based on forecast. So the risk can be minimized by proper planning and insurance, but can never be eliminated. Risk depends on nature and scale of operation. Nature and scale of business decides the amount of investments, need of funds for day-to-day expenses, etc. Larger the business scale of operation, higher is the risk involved. Risk-taking is rewarded in the form of profits. It is always said, no gain without pain. Entrepreneurs undertake risk under the expectation of higher profits. Greater the risk, higher is the chance of profit. Causes of business risk. Business risk arises due to various causes which may be classified as follows. Natural causes. Natural causes like flood, earthquake, etc. lead to loss of life and property, resulting into loss of business opportunities. Human causes. There may be decline in the product demands due to increase in competition or change in taste and preferences. Human causes like strikes, managerial inefficiency lead to loss of productivity and decrease in business profit or result in losses. Economic causes. Economic causes like fluctuation in demand due to change in prices or change in market conditions increase the possibility of risk. Increase in competition, change in technology and production method may also result in losses. External causes. Possibility of business risk increases due to political instability, government policies, terrorism, etc. These are unforeseen events and can be minimized only by utilizing the available resources to the best. Factors to be considered while starting a business. Now, in the modern business world, the competition is very tough and the risk is very high. Before starting a business, various problems and factors associated with them must be analyzed. The basic factors to be considered before starting a business are selecting the line of business. The first thing to be decided by the entrepreneur is the line and type of business he wants to start. Whether he or she wants to set up an industry or involve himself in commercial activities. This decision is taken by analyzing the market, customer, demand, and technology required to carry on the business. Scale or size of the business. After deciding the line of business, the businessman must decide whether he wants to set up large scale or small scale business. Before taking this decision, entrepreneurs must find out his capacity to arrange capital, demand, and scope of business. Choice of form of business organization. The next decision to be taken by the entrepreneur is finalizing the form of business, that is, whether to start a sole proprietorship, partnership, etc. The decision depends upon the various factors like capital liability, etc. Location of business unit. Another important decision which an entrepreneur must take carefully is to decide the location of office or production unit. Before taking this decision, he must find out the availability of raw material, labor, transportation, etc. Financial requirements. After deciding the form of business organization, the businessman must analyze the amount of capital he might require to buy fixed assets and the amount he might require as working capital. Competent and committed workforce. Every entrepreneur requires employees to carry on business activity. So, the next decision for an entrepreneur is finalizing the type of and number of employees he will require. He must find out whether he requires skilled or unskilled employees.
Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where learning is young and beyond. Also, do not forget to like, comment and share these videos.